So we are asked to find the vertex, the focus, and the directrix of a parabola. They want us to sketch it, hence I have a graph that's handy on the side. The first step is to complete the square. So I'm going to complete the square, and you notice that I'm going to leave a space for your x, but the y I'm going to set on the other side of the equation. Because obviously you have an x squared, but your y is only 1, so you already know that your parabola is either going to be oriented up or down. This will give you -2 divided by 2 squared, which would be a +1. Whatever you do on one side, you have to add on the other side as well. We've completed the square here, so this is just x minus 1 squared, which is equal to -8y. So it gives me a -8 minus 8. Last step is just factoring, so you get an x minus 1 squared is equal to -8y plus 1. Okay, now this is in standard form, which means that my h and k is equal to +1 and -1. It also means that this right here is equal to 4p. This would mean that p is equal to -2. That's because -8 equals 4p. Divide that by 4, you get -2. Right. It would help to graph it in order for you to find your focus and your directrix. In this case, your center or your vertex is at 1 and -1, so that would mean that it's right here. This is your vertex. Because p is negative, you know that your parabola is fully oriented down. So, for a parabola, we know that it's going to be oriented down. In this case, your p is -2, so this will be your focus, which has coordinate of 1, -3. Your directrix would be the one above that, which would be over here. So that would be x or y equals 1. That would be your directrix. This would be your focus. This would be your directrix. And I knew that because my p was -2, so this right here, the difference between them is a -2, and then this would be a